Let's say you are designing an airplane on Fusion 360 and you've modeled our internal components. Now you want to find the center of gravity. That's easy. Just go to inspect and center mass. But your internal components are not necessarily the correct mass. Let's say I have this battery. What's the mass? 40 grams. Is that the correct mass? No, because this is the battery I'm using and it's 90. But on Fusion, there's really no way to manually change the mass itself. You can't really like go in here and press delete. So the trick is to manually change its density. How do we do it? Click on the object, let's say battery, physical material, and use a throwaway material. So a material you're never going to use. So most likely I'm not going to use ceramics. Let's use aluminum nitride over here. So then, make sure that is a material that you'll guarantee to never use. Get a physical and change its density value. So how do you find its density value? It's just mass over volume. So over here, I have this battery. Its mass is 90 grams and this is its volume. So we can calculate it right now. 90 divided by 17 times 32 times 72. Now recall that it wants us in grams per centimeters cubed, but this is in grams per millimeters cubed. The conversion is easy, just multiply by 1,000. Boom, you have your density in grams per centimeters cubed. So over here, let's plug it in. 2.298. Let's route it to 8. Apply. It's applied. And drag your throwaway material as a battery. Make sure to color code it. I did it red so you know what is what. Now let's double check our battery. 90 grams, that, and we didn't change any of its dimensions. The length, still 30, still 7, the distance 17, 32, 70, it's still the same. So do this for all of your internal components. Like this, I've done the radio, the ESC, the motors, and even the servos over here. So now, when we calculate the center mass, boom, right over here. It's completely accurate because you have the correct mass and you have the correct dimensions for the internal components. So center mass over here, and as we know, your center mass should be a quarter of the chord length, and this looks around a quarter. So this looks like a flyable design. Thank you for watching, and give a like if you found this helpful, as it allows you to save a lot of time and let Fusion to do the center mass calculation for you. Thank you.